How to export photos in high quality. First of all, open the app and select the photo you want to export. Once your edits are complete, tap on Share button in the top right. Then select Export as option. Next, adjust the export settings to ensure high quality output. Set the file type to JPEG or PNG and select the maximum resolution or highest image quality option available. Once you have set your preferences, tap the tick button in the top right corner. Your photo will be saved to your device in high quality, ready for sharing on social media, printing, or professional use. Exporting in high quality preserves your hard work and ensures your images look sharp, vibrant, and professional across all platforms. Now you know how to export photos in high quality in Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips.